the latest numbers now from the state. There have been almost 18,000 cases of coronavirus since the outbreak began. As of today, 992 people have died in Washington. Looking specifically at Snohomish County, there are more than 2,700 cases and 126 deaths. Now, Snohomish County was the first in the country with a COVID-19 patient, but health experts now believe the virus was spreading weeks earlier. KRO 7 North Sound reporter Ryan Sims explains why they say we may never know how many people actually had coronavirus.
It is here at Providence Hospital where that first patient was quarantined back on January 20th. At that time, it seemed like he was the only person in the entire country with coronavirus. Now, though, health workers say it is likely that many other people had COVID-19, but that nobody knew it.
Given reports like the ones that we've had and others around the country, that introduction may have occurred prior to mid-January.
Snohomish County health workers confirmed today what many already suspected. Patient 1 was likely not the first person to have had coronavirus. Far from it.
That means there were probably more unrecognized cases, probably other unrecognized deaths.
Health workers in California recently said the same thing. In Santa Clara County, it was confirmed that a coronavirus death happened February 6th. That's almost a month sooner than Washington's first death, which was also believed to be the first death in the U.S.
Things we put into place in late January, like the travel ban. The virus was already here by then and probably circulating quite widely.
But Snohomish County health workers downplayed published reports which suggested 2 people may have had coronavirus around Christmas time. Health workers say both people who later tested positive for antibodies probably had the flu in December and got coronavirus later on.
There's a saying in medicine, when you hear hoofbeats, think horses, not zebras. And so, the horse in that scenario would be that they had a non-COVID infection in December.
Doctors say we will likely never know the exact date coronavirus came to Snohomish County or Washington for that matter. That's because they say there's not enough resources to investigate every single suspicious death in December and January.
I'm certainly not pressing the medical examiner or other folks to look back. I think resources are limited right now.
As for the cases that we do know about, we're talking about 2,700 people diagnosed with coronavirus here in Snohomish County. The good news, 84% of those people eventually recovered. We're in Everett tonight. Ryan Sims, KRO 7 News.